Hello YouTube, this is Leviathan Reaper. I'm doing a fan pack opening because I bought this for fun. If you have not seen it yet, check out my video of this box opening with some weird packs in it. Yeah, missing some cards in it. But whatever, you can watch it on my channel in my pack opening videos I did today at my locals. Very unusual because I don't do it there usually because I do it here at home, but I did it there today at my local card shop. So let's do this now. Let's do this shit. I'm gonna be opening these packs here, two peak ones, and then this order chaos. Yeah, that's it. Order chaos one. I'll do this one first to see what's in here for fun. I just got this for fun because I don't really need anything, you know. So, and the person that's holding the camera is not me. It's a Band of Darkness. He's very quiet there, I guess. And so, let's open this video. These packs. Okay, let's see what we get. Come on, Baylor. There we go, Baylor, guys. Sweet. No chicken this time. Okay, let's open these packs now. Let's start with this one right here. And opening. And opening. And opening. Common. Clear your vote. And tail the Leviathan Dragon. Shock thing. Dog blade thing. Just a rare. Okay. That's a rare in that pack. Hopefully, I hope that this rare is not the only thing that's good in here. If it is, it's worth this. This box hasn't been not worth the money. I don't usually buy these packs anymore because I don't need them, but I bought them for you guys to watch. So, let's see what we get in here. Can we make it a holo again? Or, ooh, I see something good. Nope, just OG. Number 12. A holo. Crimson Shadow Armor Ninja. Ultimate Rare. So, 2 holos. Okay. That's not bad. Let's make it 2 holos now. 3 holos now. If we can make it 3 in this dust pack, that'd be awesome. Can we do it? Can we do it? That is the question. So, let's see what we get. Well, I already saw that. Probably saw it too, guys. Alright, here we go. Dragonfly. Sweet. And the winner is Leviathan Ninja. That's pretty good. This card is useful now in the new heroes cards. Heroic cards. Super. Sweet. So, common, common, and common. I think I did a good poll there. If you guys think so too, please let me know. So now, for the next pack openings, on these cards here, the pink ones, get out the overlord packs. Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Card Series game. Okay, let's see what we get. And here we go. Open these packs. Open this one first. These are the packs that my friend put down. So let's see what they are. Bought this for fun. So let's see. Watch Tail Dragon. Aquamarine Cycle. Heretic. Berserker Scales. Yeah. Diversity. And just a rare. Okay. Heretics thing, lightweight thing, Niveau Meta, and the Heretic thing again. So, just to wear that pack. Can we make a holo in this pack? Let's see if we can. So, let's open this pack and see what's in here. Heretic Sue. Heretic thing. Blue hidden Oni. Rounds are good. Epic thing. Shark Drake. Sweet. This is up for trade too. Shark Drake number 32. Not the best pull, but it's a pull. In return, and mini guts. So let's do a recap real quick. We got a Shark Drake. We got Plain Armor Ninja. We got a Crimson Shadow Armor Ninja. And a Thick Feather. This might not be for trade, I don't know. I'll find out though, soon enough. I do have one though in the binder if you want it. And the rangers are Heretic Seal, Evil Diversity, Dragonfly, Ninja Art, and Darkblade, Captain of the Evil World. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Everything here is for trade if you want it. So, just PM me for offers. If you comment below saying you want this card, I will respond. I'll stop doing that now. So, just PM me for offers. Thank you and peace out.